Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix DJI app not opening on your Android. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open your Play Store, and here you have to search DJI app on the Play Store search bar. First of all, you have to open Play Store, and here you have to search DJI app on. Now here you have to upgrade this app to the latest version. After that, you have to tap on this DJI app logo, and here you have to click on this app info button. Here you can see you have to click on this. When you click on this, here you have to click on storage and cache. After that, here you have to click on clear cache at the right bottom. After that, you have to click on this clear storage at the left bottom. Now here you have to open this app again. Now when you open this app, now here you can see this problem has been fixed. In this way you can fix DJI app not opening on your Android and iOS. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next interesting video.